Hey guys, I'm Risha.
I'm Ibrahima.
And we're the Mandinka Family. And today we're going to show you guys how to open an account. We're headed to get my TIN number. Stay tuned.
You be my queen, you be my screensaver. I be a king, no be cinema. Diamond, mineral, situation critical. You be my queen, you be my screensaver. I be a king, no be cinema. Diamond, mineral, situation critical. Sun kiss your body, glitter, glitter.
Alright, hey guys, so me and my babe, we just came from getting our passport photos done. I got mine, he got his. We got 2 apiece. You can get 4 for $100, which is roughly $2 US, which is better than CVS and Walgreens in America, where they charge you like $15 for 2 photos. So now we're headed to the Gambia Revenue Authority, where I have to go ahead and get my TIN number. I need that in order to be able to open up a bank account here. So I'm gonna let my babe show you his TIN information. That way you can kind of get an idea of how it looks.
Okay guys, as my wife told you, she's about to go get her TIN number. I have already got my TIN number. As a citizen, I have got mine, and because she's not a citizen, we're about to go through her process of getting her TIN number in the Gambia here. Then from there, we'll go to the bank and open up a bank account. But as I've already got mine, so we'll be right back with more details.
These steps are really big. So as you can see up here, we have to wear our mask. COVID-19 is real, no mask, no entry. So just being safe. How are you? All right, so.
Alright guys, we are here at the Revenue Authority, but we spoke to the lady on the deck there, but she says the network is really poor. They couldn't process the TIN number. So we are sat here waiting for them to for the network to be better, so we can go ahead and process the TIN number.
So even when conducting business, you guys, you have to make sure you set plenty of time. You probably have to set your whole day aside in order to just handle just one thing, because anything could come up, whether it be running, having no electric, or the network, the internet being down. So we expect to prepare for that. All right, guys. So we weren't able to get anything accomplished today. It's a Monday. It has been raining on and off, so it has affected the network. We sat here for about 30 minutes, but my babe just went and asked the clerk how long it would take for the electric to come back on, and they told us to just come back tomorrow. So that's what we're going to do. So we will see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
24 hours later.
All right, guys. So today's the second day that we're at the Gambia Revenue Authority. So come on with us. We're going to see if the internet works today.
All right, babe. You want to tell them?
Yeah, so my babe went and checked. He said there's nobody here. So hopefully we can make this process fast today. They say they have internet today, so come on with this.
Let's roll it. Then go copy it. Photocopy name. Alright guys, they asked us to sit and wait, so we better sit and wait. My baby's trying to write down her personal information in order to get the TIN number. Mother's name, married or single, which is married, obviously. So, we're almost there now.
Hey, what's up, guys? So, as expected, you know, we're still waiting. There's someone in front of us, but the guy that's supposed to be helping us is on the phone chit-chatting. It's very like slow moving and unorganized, and he took my personal information, but we're still waiting. So I don't know. Like, you know, typically what I'm used to is they call your name, you go sit at their desk, and then you fill out the application. But here, they take your information and you sit here and wait while they help other people. So it's a little bit weird, but we'll check back in with you. Want to say anything?
Yeah, like my wife said, it's kind of unfair situation where it's whom you know that they will start fixing her, but hopefully we can get ours soon and then just go walk away.
It's about whom you know and not what you know.
2 hours later. One eternity later.
Alright guys, so I got my TIN number, my tax identification number. This will allow you to be able to eventually work here. You can use it to open a bank account here, which is what we're about to do. It didn't take as long as I expected, but I still don't like the process of how it's done. But nevertheless, we got it done. So come on with us to the bank.
Alright guys, we are now from GRA. Now we are right at the GT Bank. We're about to operate
GT Bank.
Yeah, bank account. We went to the GT. We went to the GRA for my wife to have her TIN number. Which the process went pretty fast, you know, but unfair always, like you always know. But right now we are about to go in the bank, and later we tell you how it goes. Where are we now, babe?
We're inside the banker's office. It's just like the bank in America. You have your tellers out there, and in the rooms, in the cubicles, you have the banker who's going to help you open an account. So we're just waiting for him.
That's where the process goes.
What is the minimum amount to open a joint bank account?
It's 200,000.
200, okay. We're filling out the form to do the open the bank account.
All right, my baby goes first.
Alright, so my babe is signing his portion of the details for the joint account. We have to sign and date it. You'll put your name in print right here. Alright guys, so we're at the GT Bank in Gambia. We were told at the Bursubi location to come here in order for us to get our debit cards. You know, in America, when you open an account, they're able to give you the card or order your card at the same branch location. Here, you got to go to this branch to order it. But today, the lady that's supposed to give you the debit cards is sick, so I guess no one else is skilled enough to be able to give you a debit card. So they're telling us that if we want one today, we need to go to the American Embassy, which doesn't make any sense to me.
Around the American Embassy, their branch.
I'm a little bit pissed because like it's a little bit of incompetence that's been shown here. So I guess we're gonna have to just wait another day to get our debit card. So
Guys, around here is a garden where you can come and pursue flowers, any kind of flowers that you want. You can be around there. a huge field where cattle would come, feed themselves. Alright guys, as you can see, we are right at the American Embassy. That's where the American Embassy in Gambia is located. So we are about to go to GT Bank now.
Okay, we're at the Caraba Avenue location, and this is the third location. We're going to try to see if we can get the debit cards here, so come with us.
Okay. 2 hours later.
Okay guys, once again, I've come to the third location, and they asked if I wanted a local or an international card. I told her international. She comes back and says, oh, well, we don't have it now. Now she's saying we have to fill out a form, but we have to wait until to come back next week. So it's not even guaranteed that I'll be able to even get the debit card when I'm sitting here trying to do it way early. So, I mean, this is what you guys will have to deal with, just so you know. It's just a whole bunch of bullshit. It's really frustrating because you waste money coming all the way out here just for them to tell you that they can't do shit. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got our bank account information. He was able to give us our SWIFT code, our account number. One thing is, just a recap that you will need is, of course, your passport for identification. If you are doing a joint account, then you have to have a marriage certificate. So that's something that's different here. You do have to show a marriage certificate, otherwise you cannot get a joint account. It will be an individual account. So marriage certificate is a joint account, your passport, your actual passport, you need your passport size photo, and your TIN number. Those are the 4 things that you need in order to open up a bank account here at GT Bank. And baby, did you want to say anything?
Yeah, that's how the process goes, so, I hope, everything now goes smooth now. We've already got, our bank account, so, yeah.
All right, so we're good. If you guys do have any questions, just contact us, or you leave comments below, of course, but make sure you contact us on TheMandinkaFamily@gmail.com. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Until then, don't forget, Black Love is Black Power. See you guys.